In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on LinkedIn if you want to promote a webinar, networking session, workshop, or any other professional gathering. LinkedIn makes it pretty simple to set up an event directly from your homepage. The process is quick, but it helps to know where everything's and what details you should prepare in advance so your event page looks complete and professional. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to the homepage. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation pane with different sections available to you. In that left pane, click on Events. This will take you to the Events area where you can manage existing events or create a new one. Once you're in the Events section, look toward the top right corner of the page and click Create an Event. This opens the event setup screen where you'll enter all the important information people need in order to understand and join your event. Now begin filling in the event details. First, choose the event type that best matches what you're hosting. Then enter the event name. Make sure the name is clear and descriptive so people immediately understand what the event is about. After that, select the correct time zone. This is especially important if your audience is spread across different locations because it helps avoid confusion about when the event starts. Next, add the start date and end date. Double-check these carefully before moving on, since date and time mistakes can lead to missed attendance. You can also include the event link, which is useful if the event is taking place online and attendees need a direct way to join. Then write the description. This is your opportunity to explain what the event covers, who it's for, and why someone should attend. Try to keep it informative and easy to scan. If your event includes featured guests or presenters, add the speakers as well. Completing these details makes your event page more credible and gives potential attendees a better sense of what to expect. After you've entered everything, continue through the setup. Once that's done, your LinkedIn event will be created and ready to share. From there, you can invite connections, post about it, and help more people discover it through your network. That's all there is to it. As long as you fill out the details carefully and make your event information clear, creating an event on LinkedIn is a straightforward way to reach a professional audience and boost attendance.